What's up, guys? Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. It depends on what time you're watching this video. I just wanted to show you guys the sunrise. That's how beautiful it is, man. You guys gotta see the sunrise, man. You gotta come out here one day. It's just too nice out here, man. You gotta enjoy. You gotta come at least once in your lifetime to check out a sunrise. Look at that. That's awesome, huh? Oh, I got it. I got one, guys. Like a little Mackie. Oh, jumping. Oh, yeah. Come to daddy. Don't let a jewfish grab it. There we go. Awesome, guys. Like fourth Mackie of the day. Should look at that. That's awesome. The bite is good today, guys. The bite is good. You gotta enjoy these days, man. Come on, let this one go. I already got plenty of fish to eat. I'm not trying to be greedy, guys, by any means. There we go. So, guys, at this time, my GoPro started acting up again, and I noticed I lost when I got home and downloaded the videos. I noticed the sound was gone, but regardless, I wanted to show you this big old bluefish. It gave me quite a fight, man. I mean, it was pretty fun. It kept jumping, and I was using obviously my light tackle, which is 10-pound test line, braided, and I was just fighting it for a little good while, man. I was having such a great time with it, and I kept taking drag. It felt pretty good. I think I fought it for like 2-3 minutes, and then as I'm bringing it in, he actually came off the hook right on the edge of the rocks, and when he came off, he was about to jump in the water, and I stepped on him, and all my shoes, my feet got wet, man. But it was hella fun. I mean, I was cracking up. The guys around were like, "Oh, you stepped on it, you got it." So I just wanted to show you this clip, even though it has no sound and it's got like a launch on the screen. So like I said, guys, I'm just learning day by day. All those little mistakes I make, it's not easy, guys. You think it's easy to record? It's not. Fishing, recording, bait, checking the batteries, checking the lines, people talking to you. I mean, it's actually quite a lot of work. I didn't really realize it until now. But regardless, man, it doesn't take away the fun of being out there and just fishing, man. So it's awesome. So here's where I start walking towards the edge of it, and I'm bringing it in, and I see that one rock. He goes on that rock, and then the line comes off. The line comes right off. Oh, and that's it. And I had to step on him before he jumped. So I stepped on him, got my feet all wet. And one of the other fellow fishermen, he held onto my rod, and I grabbed him, and I was like, man, this is a big bluefish. It was like at least 24 inches. I mean, it was pretty darn big. So, anyways, guys, that was the fight, and I just wanted to show you guys. And overall, man, the fishing was great that day. It's been great right now with the fall fishing, man. One of my favorite times of the year, man. It's cool. It's a little breezy. It feels good to be out there, guys. So, anyways, that was awesome, huh? All right. All right, guys. So far so good. The fishing is great, man. I caught 3 mackerel, 1 bluefish. Super stoked, super happy. Within an hour, so I'm not gonna complain today for sure. There you go. So gotta keep at it. They seem to be kind of far away, so I'm casting as far as I can, as hard as I can, to get to that spot where they're been hitting. I'm just letting it hit the bottom. There we go. I'll hook up again. I know I will. Come on now. Come and get it. You know you want it. Come and get it. Guys, appreciate you guys watching. Clicking on this video. Appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe. And follow me on Instagram, TikTok. It's all the same, Vetmar Fishing. On all my platforms. So here we go. I feel this is the lucky cast right here. Watch this, guys. Watch this. There again. Yeah, that's what it's hitting right now, man. Bucktail. Yeah, see? Didn't take long. That's what's working. Here we go, here we go. Oh, it just got a hit. guys, so it's the end of the day. I really appreciate you guys watching the video. I'm going to show you guys the catch of the day. It wasn't such a bad day. I was able to catch even a small fat snook. I think it's a fat snook. You guys comment below and let me know. But this is the catch of the day, guys. So guys, stand by for keep watching for the next video. Hopefully you guys like this video, and every time I'm gonna, like I said, make better videos. God willing. Appreciate you guys watching. Don't forget to subscribe, alright guys? Y'all have a good one. See you next time.
I got you, Daddy.